Hello friends, welcome to Excel Skill Corner. Topic of this video is text to columns, which is a very beautiful feature in Excel. It is a solution to certain data related issues. Let us consider the case of part number where we have a long text which is separated by hyphens. Let us consider the data in the first cell. I want to separate these into individual columns. That is BLA in one column, FCP in another, and L in another. Separating these using formulas is a tedious task. There is an inbuilt function called text to columns in the data tab. The function of this feature is to split a single column of text into multiple columns. These are done using the delimiters. Let us try it out. First, select the data and click on Text to Columns option. In the window, it has asked to choose the file type that best describes our data. Delimiters are space, comma, tab, etc. In this case, we'll select Other and in the adjacent box, we shall type hyphen. In the preview, we can see that the text has been split accordingly. Click Next and click in the destination column box. We shall select our desired location where we want the result and then click Finish. We can see that the text is split into different columns. Let us consider the case of dates. When we download data, it is usually seen that date will not have the correct format of a date. Let us select a cell and in the format change the date to long date. But we can see that it does not change into day, date, month, year format. We can correct this using the text to columns feature. Select the date column and in the text to columns window, click on Next, again Next. In the column data format, click on the date option and select an option. Click on the destination box and select the desired location and click Finish. We can see that the date has changed from month, day, year format to day, month, year format. Let us change it into day, date, month, year format by selecting the long date option in the format section. Using this feature saves us the task of creating formulas. With that said, I'm signing off. Let us meet again in a new video with a new topic.